Welcome to DisplayBly.com. Today, we are going to introduce a unique LCD module. It is called COG LCD module in the traditional way since the IC is on the glass. But there is a huge PCB on the back and a metal frame in the front which holds the LCD screen and the LED backlight onto the PCB. This is typical structure of COB LCD module. It not only has all the merits of COG module, but also has all the advantages of COB module. We call it hybrid structure. Why would someone choose this structure with high tooling fee and high unit price? Usually, a COB LCD module is big with big segments, and the COG LCD module is small size with small dot matrix. Let us check the screen. There are 240 by 120 dot matrix on the view area, 73.7 by 36 millimeters. It is too crowded to be COB LCD module since every dot must be wire connected outside LCD to the control IC. On the other hand, it is very convenient to use COG technology since the control IC is on the glass and every dot only has to be wire connected inside LCD to the control IC. It can perfectly solve the wire and space problem. COB structure with a metal frame and PCB is the reason why it is so stable. The metal frame not only looks stylish and fastens the LCD screen and the LED backlight onto the PCB, but also protects the potential damages from the environment. Let us check the back of the LCD module. The FPC is soldered on the PCB and there is an eye-catching FPC connector which makes the connection so much easier. Thank you for watching and contact us if you have any questions.